You must have found some of the textures cannot keep shape in a long time as what the original looks. Then what are the reasons of this and which kind of curls can stay long? Textures of the human hair are fixed by chemical or heat treatments. They will gradually fail over time and use. Daily care, such as shampooing, combing, and blowing, will accelerate the relaxation of texture. Loosening of curly and wavy texture is a natural characteristic of human hair and cannot be completely avoided. Then how to delay them getting loosened? Delay them getting loose by using styling products, reducing wet hair exposure, avoiding hot tools, and so on. But it cannot be avoided completely. Large curls such as body weave, loose weave, and natural weave, these kind of big textures maintenance time is shorter than small curls like Kinky curl and Kinky street. Kinky curl and Kinky street has very long duration time. And in terms of the hair color, the lighter the hair color is, the shorter the curl's gonna last. Hope this gonna help to bring you some idea. Thank you for watching. See you next time.